Good morning, lovely. So this morning I'm making breakfast, something a bit different. What am I cooking? English breakfast. So I'm going to get started cooking. I have my pan here for bacon. I'm going to start putting some bacon on it. Before that, let me put my baked beans in. Don is not interested in this breakfast. I was telling him it's a good thing, but he's not. So I have some thick cut bacon here that I'm using. You're going to hear Alexandra a lot because I guess she wants to come in here. So I'm going to put this in the oven. I'll definitely be asking for Don's help because I don't know how long the bacon should be in the oven. But I'm going to start making my sausage. I have some sausages here that I'm going to be frying. They're called sausage links. Tomatoes here that I'm cutting in half, so just about 2 of them because not everyone likes tomatoes. I'm going to start frying my sausage, my eggs here. I totally forgot to turn on the oil. Oh my gosh. I have some hash browns here. This is so good. This is homemade, so it was shaved, press, and I guess made. I don't know, but anyway, they're all made. For me, I prefer to eat fried egg. I love fried eggs. They're my absolute favorite. But when I'm married to Don, he turned me on to scrambled eggs. Don, I made you breakfast.
Did you? Where are you? I don't see you.
It's so ridiculous. Catch you guys in a bit.
Making lamb chops. I got my skillet over here warming up with, I got a tablespoon of butter. I got some fresh rosemary and some olive oil in there. What I do is when I cook my lamb chops, which is the menu today, I'm doing it, I'm making it traditional way with rosemary, garlic, olive oil, rub. What I'm going to do is sear first. I salted and peppered both sides, right? I'm going to sear this up, let it sit for a second after I take it out, and then put the herb sauce on it. And I'm going to pop it in the oven for an internal temperature of 145, which is rare, but I'm going to put it 155 because most people here like it medium well. Infuse that rosemary flavor into the oil, olive oil, with a little bit of garlic. Okay, now we're going to sear these guys. Some fingerling potatoes for the side. Has some Peruvian potatoes in there, and just a rather yellow Yukon Gold fingerling potatoes. What I'm going to do is I've already made up an herb to put these on. I'm just let that cool off just for a second. This is rosemary and garlic chopped up with some olive oil. I'm gonna kind of get this covering everything. Oh, that's gonna be good. Now, another thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a piece of aluminum foil. I'm gonna wrap up the part that I've already trimmed. Just the bone part.
Say hello. Hi. Here she said hi. Oh my goodness, my little chatterbox. Kiss mommy, kiss.
Our finished product. I'm going to slice these. I've let them rest for 5 minutes.
What is this done?
That's spinach
here?
souffle.
Spinach souffle. And
Fingerling potatoes.
Potatoes.
Yeah.
And is that a gravy?
Huh? Yeah, it's a gravy, but that's more of a sauce.
Today we went shopping. As you can see, Bath and Body Works semi-annual sale, and oh my gosh, this is my favorite time of the season when they have their sale on, I think it's June. Is it June they have their sale? Their other big sale?
Yeah.
Yeah, in June and also after Christmas. So I'm excited because this is my favorite time when I can just stock out like never before, not only for myself, but I like to give away. So I picked up a ton of stuff and I'm going to blaze through some of the scent with you guys. Not everything here is for me. A lot of them are going to Jamaica. She ripped it. A lot of them are going to Jamaica. Alexandra, she's just rough. A lot of these things are going to Jamaica as well for family because I bought some for my mom and my sister and I'm so excited. So hey, come over here. So Alexandra, and that was the plan, just to go to the mall, get her hair pierced, but I totally forgotten about Bath and Body Works. I was like, oh my gosh, when I saw how stocked out it is at the mall, I didn't want to film her crying, but it was so good. She didn't even cry. I was actually surprised she didn't cry. She was a tough nut. They're fall and Christmas scents, and these are some of them. This is smelling so good. I love this one, golden flower. This one smells so good. Don't mind the bag. Alexandra ripped it apart. This is one of my favorite scents, the Vanilla Bean Noel. These, and I was like, oh my gosh, it smells so good. Some country apple as well. What is that scent? Alexandra. It's Papaya Paradise. Alexandra. These are my soap, hand soap. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. The autumn rainfall. So I tried to buy 2 of each.
Mama, she's standing.
She's standing?
Sure.
Alexandra. Apple hibiscus. I'm loving this one. Did I get you anything? No, I wasn't thinking about you. Are you sad? I didn't really. Okay, to be honest, none of these lotion and sprays for myself. These are for Jamaica. Show you this oil. It's not going to focus. Okay, this smells so good. I saw this for the first time and I picked up 2 of them for Dan and I because Dan was with me, so you know, he decided to get one, but it smells so good. In this bag it's just some plug-in scents, so I picked up a few plug-in scents. It's not that much, but I'm going to get some more. I thought I had more, but anyway, I'm going to pick up some more. And because I need to get the cherry blossom. Actually, cherry blossom is one of my absolute favorite. All the hand soap, all of the hand soap, they're mine. And all of these body things, splash and lotion, they're actually for my mom and my sister in Jamaica. But tomorrow I'm going to get mine. Alexandra, baby, no. I'll talk to you about this. This is the TEAMI Detox Mask. And it's the green tea blend. This is so good and it's natural. So it comes in this box, so cute, and all their stuff, it's natural product, also animal cruelty free. So it's matcha, lemongrass, clay. I've been using this for actually a week now. It is so good and all their products are actually natural, and I've worked with them before, drinking their tea and helping with weight loss for Dawn, and you know, just the whole thing of detoxing the body. But I decided to try their mask. The skin feel a bit smoother, softer. This did help with minimizing my pores. I don't know, but this is so good. It's a detox, taking all that impurities out. I have Danielle and my other daughter to use it as well. All your information description box down below, because I think they have a 50% discount coupon that is going on now. I think, yeah, it's 50%. I'm going to leave all that information description box down below. And as I said, this is a company that I work with a lot and I love their product, especially when I use that tea, that natural tea, and saw my husband lose weight and how it helped my digestive system. And so yeah, I don't think I'll ever stop using their product. This is it, our a day in our life, and it gets even more hectic. This is just a little bit. Love and appreciate you, and I'll catch you in my next video. And please don't forget to remember to walk in. Oh, and please don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to our channel. We love and appreciate you all. And please don't forget to remember to walk in love, stay in love, and stay connected to God. And you do have a lovely day. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.